Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Hyundai remote key fob. It's quite a simple one. What we need to do is just need to remove this panel here that houses the key fob battery. Okay, we just need to get a few fingers or thumbs and just pop them into the groove like so, and just pop the case open like that, and there you go, there is your key fob battery. You just need to get a small screwdriver and get it underneath the battery. Like that, and just prise it out of its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just get our new key fob battery and we just simply pop it back into the housing like so, making sure that the writing is facing upwards, and then we know it's in its correct location on this key fob. You just pop the cover back on, make sure it all lines up, and click it in place. There you go, all done.